What is up guys, Frogjoy here. In today's video, I'm gonna make my Minecraft Skyblock Challenge episode 13. So, let's go over here. Okay, let's go over there. What do I mean? Let's see this, what I freaking build. Okay. Uh, my script, I built this so many, yep. I built this because my screen recorder sucks and I freaking figure it out. it 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 always freaking crash. So it crashed 3 times. That's why I freaking built this accidentally with no freaking recording. Oh, okay. So we're gonna finish it. I hope it doesn't crash. My recorder doesn't crash. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's freaking chop some wood, and we're gonna freaking finishing it. And I freaking fall many times doing this block here. Okay, let's chop this wood. By the way, I'm building. What I'm building is mob spawner. As you freaking so. Oh man, coughing. Okay, let's finish this. Done. Let's finish this. Oh, then. Do one more. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Come on. Oh, coughing man. Okay, let's finish this. It's my okay, it's my wood. It's like oh man. It's freaking growing. Let's finish some please. Let's this. Oh man. I ran out. Spray some torch. Oh man. It's freaking go wrong. Okay. Oh. Sorry about coughing guys. The hate coughing. Let's chop this wood. This probably is okay. There's more wood over there. Let's chop this. Man. My my iron axe are gonna broke quickly. Where's it? There. Okay. Let's chop that. Let's chop this too. Come on. Let's break this torch. Oh, man, coughing. Okay. Now, believes is gonna disappear soon. Okay. Open. Let's make a staircase here. Okay, where's my wood? Make it to planks. Hope I can finish it in 10 minutes. Okay, let's stack that. Let's go over here. Let's do the same. Freaking mess. Okay. Oh, it's my wood. Okay, this is my wood. And I freaking make a diamond pickaxe, guys, because I fall over there and I lose my iron pickaxe. So that's why I make diamond pickaxe. I need more wood. Let's get over here. If there is any wood. Damn. Okay. Oh. Okay, there's more wood here. What? There's freaking loads. Okay, we're gonna fall. Oh. Oh, there's a melon. Okay. There is a freaking melon growing. Damn, I got so many food today. Wait, let's do that. Oh, damn, I hate coughing. Okay, space this wall. Is this enough? Okay, I will do so they can't jump. Okay, let's finish this. Oh man, hope I didn't break the sign. Guys, okay, let's get this done. Oh, man, coughing today. It's getting night soon. I need to. I mean, I don't have blocks. So we're just gonna make our way out, okay? Oh man, coughing. What the fuck would I coughing? Okay. Let's break this. Few woods. Let's plant. So we have more woods. The jungle. Let's do this. Some more. Okay. Let's plant some jungle. Right here. Just freaking sleep. Cause I hate dark. I hate monsters coming. There. Oh man, coughing. Oh, this wood here. Damn, I'm gonna make a diamond axe because this freaking breaking much faster mean because I have a lot of wood. This freaking break so fast. Okay. Let's break this. Okay. Okay. Oh man, coughing today. Let's break this for the ceiling, the mob spawner. Okay, done. Okay. Scrap this to planks. Okay, we got loads. Okay. What? Okay. Let's go over here. Oh, coughing mean. Let's do the ceiling over here. Oh man. Let's break that. Okay. Let's do this so we got faster. Oh man. Hope this works. I'm gonna cry if this if my mob spawner doesn't freaking works. Damn it. Okay. Okay. We got more stuck. Damn, coughing. Okay, we have more trees growing. If I run out, I'm gonna chop that. Over here. Oh. Okay. It's done. Oh man. Okay, okay. Let's do this. Okay. Well, okay, done. Next is this. Oh damn. Okay. Let's get some more planks. Here. Let's patch this up. Patch, patch, patch. And it's done. My Bob's Mother is done. Okay. Oh man. We have more growing. Melons growing. Okay. It's working dark. So let's get rid of this torch. I'm gonna do this. Hope it works properly. Okay. Let's go over here. Oh friend. Okay, it's dark now, so it should be working. If this doesn't work, well damn. Let's get this. Get some more stapling. Oh man! Oh frick. Wait. I'm gonna extend this. So the sapling don't fall, okay. That's it, don't fall. Let's stock this one more. Okay, done. And the Bob's one should be working now. I hope so. Come on. Is it working? Wait. Well. Damn, I had foods. Have many foods today. Is it? Damn. Hello? Is it working? Wait, let's check. Oh man. Okay. Let's freaking check. Let's check over here. There's some monsters. Oh man. Does this work? There's so dark there. Why it's not working? Wait. Let's see if this freaking works. Let's check over here. Oh, damn, it's dark. Where's there's not spawning? Oh man. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna end my episode there, okay? Alright guys, this is the end of this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, damn coughing. As always, subscribe, like, and see you guys in the next episode.